Hello again, everyone. I'm a little bit behind on the Diamine Inkvent calendar for 2022, but today I have 5 days that I'm going to be catching up on. And today's the 21st, the winter solstice. Happy solstice. And today's ink was Cozy Up, which is a red standard ink. The 20th was Arctic Blast, which is Chameleon and Sheen. It looks like they're really getting on the chameleon train with this year. Silent Night was day 19, which is a standard. Olive Swirl, this is the one I'm most excited about. This is a chameleon. And then Flame, which is standard. Let's go ahead and get in here. So day 17 is that Flame color. Let me get this rearranged so that you can see. Okay, and I will zoom in here. And I will put on my glasses so I can actually see. Okay, so I have my regular tools here. As usual, I will put a link down to day 1's video for this Inkvent calendar swatching. All right, so let's go ahead with this Flame. I was a little concerned that this was similar to some of the colors we'd had last year. So let's see. This looks nice. Uh-oh, yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, I like this color, but it does look very similar to, let's see. You know, it even looks similar to Peach Punch, but I feel like, well, Candlelight is what I was thinking, and this is Candlelight. I don't want to do it too far because the ink will flow off, but I guess this is more yellow. Candlelight's more yellow. Peach Punch might be a little bit like it. Wonderland, maybe? A little bit like that. We'll see when this one dries. Yeah, Wonderland is probably the closest, but this is actually a really nice reddish orange. More flame-like, I guess. And you know, let me go back to the year before that too and see, because I have those in the back here. Let's see, Fire Embers. I think that's what I was thinking of, but that is clearly much more red. And yeah, there's kind of nothing like it in that prior year either. All right, let's go ahead and do the dip pen. I actually like this color a lot. Diamine Flame. Okay. All right, let's go on to the next one. So that was day 17, Flame. And then this is the one I'm kind of excited about. I have to shake it up. Someone was saying that the chameleon is really just referring to the shimmer that's in there, which is kind of interesting because this is just labeled chameleon. And then, let's see, this is labeled chameleon and sheen. Okay, so sheen would be different than shimmer, so that makes sense. I thought it was labeled chameleon and shimmer, which kind of wouldn't make sense because the shimmer is the chameleon, right? All right, I may have shaken that too much. Let's see, I got it a little bubbly. Okay, that's kind of neat. I do love an olive color. Always. Olive Swirl is the name of this one. Okay. I am rinsing the tools off and drying them off in between each color. So I wonder what Olive Swirl has to do with Christmas or the holidays. It's a nice color. I really like this color. It's a shimmer though. If you're not into the shimmer inks, this might not be your ball of wax. Ball of wax might not be your thing. I often get sayings confused, so sorry about that. Yeah, I think anyone who is not a fan of shimmer inks probably should not buy the Inkvent calendar. I think in prior years there weren't as many shimmer inks as there are this year. And this is probably pretty unique. I don't remember any color like this in prior years. Okay, so the next day 19 is Silent Night, which is a really, looks like it's a deep bluish purple perhaps. Let's see. We did have a lot of blues last year, so I'm kind of surprised that they did some dark blues again, but we'll see. We'll see. It's a beautiful color. I really like that color. Again, a color that's really up my alley as far as blues go. Okay. Rinsing that out again, drying it again. Yeah, that's really pretty. This could certainly be an everyday ink. Silent Night. It seems a little dry. That could just be that I didn't get a lot of, well, I don't know. Maybe I didn't get a lot of ink in the tool. Yeah, this one seemed, the level seemed a little lower than some of the other bottles here. Okay. So we're not going to have a full swatch there. And then we have Arctic Blast. And I'll put these closer up to the camera when I'm done here, which is a shimmer. Nope, I just read this. Chameleon and Sheen. Okay. In blue. Arctic Blast. I'll be interested to look back and see if these are similar to any of the ones from last year or the year before. Oops, I think I got a lot on there. Oh wow, the shimmer really shows up right away. Okay. It's interesting, it almost separated. I probably have some hand oils here on the bottom of the page from me handling the page. So sometimes when that happens, the ink will resist the oil on the page. But that seemed to do that really right away. Okay. Seems very wet. Diamine, Arctic Blast. Yeah, pretty. So this one here, Silent Night's a little more grayish. I really love this color. It reminds me a lot of one of my favorite inks from Lennon Toolbar. I'm blanking on the name right now, but definitely similar. Arctic Blast. And then the last one is Cozy Up, which is a standard, looks like red again. Yeah, that flame is drying pretty light orange there. Okay, so let's go up to day 21. The winter solstice. Darkest day of the year, but that means that after this, the days will get brighter. Or there'll be more light in the day, I guess I should say that. Wow, this almost looks like a watermelon color. That's very interesting. And similar to Flame. Oh, I have a little hair on the end of there from the paper towel. I think that is what's creating such a broad line, yeah. Okay, Diamine. It's actually pretty dry as an ink. Cozy Up. I could tell that when it was coming off of the automatic pen there. Yeah, that's kind of a strange color. Yeah, like I said, almost like a watermelon red. Okay, let me dry off this last tool and close up the last bottle, and then we'll do some comparisons with last year and maybe the year before. Let me go ahead and hold these up. Diamine Flame, Olive Swirl, definitely liking the Olive Swirl. You can definitely see that chameleon thing going on. I think the shift is a little bit more subtle than some of the others. I'm seeing a little bit of a purple in there, which is not coming off on the camera. And then we have Silent Night, Arctic Blast, which is still pretty wet because I had so much ink on my tool. Looks pretty though, and you can't really see the shimmer as much as it's showing up in person. There's actually a lot of shimmer in there. And then Diamine Cozy Up. Okay, so I'm going to try not to, last time this didn't work, but I'm going to try to just gently flip through. Let's go back to, okay, Diamine Tempest, which was a shimmer ink, is very similar to Silent Night, although Silent Night is not shimmer. As you can see, they're pretty darn close, I would say. I already showed you Candlelight. Peach Punch. Yeah, Peach Punch is very similar to Cozy Up, I would say. Oops, let me move that down so you can see that. Yeah, I would say that's pretty similar. And let's see, we have Ruby Blues. Oh, Diamine Storm. Storm is a little bluer than this one, not quite as dark. Ruby Blues, let me be very careful here. Ruby Blues, that's looking a little bit like Arctic Blast, but without the shimmer, obviously. And let's see, yes, Vintage Copper was one of my favorites from last year. Let's see, yeah, and then a Wonderland. Wonderland, it looks less like Wonderland the more this dries. Yeah, so, I mean, there's differences. Let's go back and look at the year before, which I did not do as big as swatches of. Let's see if there's anything similar. Gold Star, no, that's more yellow. Polar Glow. Polar Glow is probably very similar to Arctic Blast. But I can see here that Polar Glow is a little bit more green than this one. This one's a little more true blue, but still very close. Ho Ho Ho. I can't direct comparison. It's somewhat similar to Cozy Up, but a darker red. Candy Cane, maybe. No, Candy Cane's a little more pink. Let's see, it's hard to come up with original things every year, right? Jack Frost. Okay, Jack Frost is very similar to Arctic Blast, I would say. But again, a little bit more green. Festive Cheer. Yeah, maybe still similar to that as well. All right. Midnight Hour. I was wondering if this would be similar to Silent Night, and I don't think it is. It's much darker. All right. Well, and this was the last one. Happy holidays. So yeah, I think for Arctic Blast, there's definitely a few that look somewhat similar to that, both the year before last and last year's. So, ooh, looks like I got a little piece of paper in there or something. Oh, well, I can't get it out now. It is there. I think it might just be the paper from underneath. I might not have gotten that one little spot. All right, so let's go up close again now that these are pretty much dry other than the Arctic Blast. So there's Diamine Flame, Olive Swirl, Silent Night, Arctic Blast. You can see more of that shimmer now. You know, whether that's Chameleon, yeah, I'm kind of having a hard time seeing the shift again. I think they're a little generous with the Chameleon name. And Cozy Up, which is a really weird color in my opinion. It's like not quite pink, but not quite red. It really does look like a watermelon color to me. Did I do, yeah, I did all the water tests. Let's go ahead and do that. Let me see if I can find my brush that I used. Since this is all on the same page, it should be pretty easy. I'm gonna have to change out my water. Okay, so I have a little bit of water on my brush here. And like I said, I usually like to wait until the next day to do this, but today I'm just going to do it while we have it. But yeah, a lot of these have not, like, other than the blues, which I'm guessing, well, that's not even so bad. I love this. Silent Night, I think, is a really, will be a really good, yeah, that one's totally gonna dilute really fast. Silent Night is definitely going to be a go-to for regular writing. Okay, and then Cozy Up. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm going to do a close-up one more time. Let me dry off that brush a little bit and cover up my water so that I don't spill it. All right, so there you can see a lot of these have been a little bit more water resistant than I would have guessed, except for the dark blues or the really saturated blues, like this Arctic Blast. Cozy Up. All right, let me know what you think of these. I think there's definitely some unique, I think the one very unique color is the Olive Swirl. That's not like anything that they've done before. Cozy Up is similar, but it's a weird one. I have to figure out whether I like that or not. And like I was saying, this is not an indication of how wet this ink is. There was a little fiber at the end. In fact, I think you can still see it. There was a little, no, you can't. There was a little tiny fiber at the end of this that was smearing the ink more. But otherwise, it actually seems like a fairly dry ink, and so does the Silent Night. Everything else seemed fairly normal. I think of these, Arctic Blast is probably the wettest. And this, I'm guessing again that this will stain quite a bit. All right, well, that's all I had for you today. Feel free to subscribe to keep track of future videos on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. We have a few more days left till Christmas, 22, 23, 24, and then the big reveal of the big bottle here on the last page. Hopefully I can get all these to you before the 25th. Things have been busy, and then, like I said, I took some time off, so I'm not really living up to my everyday video like I was hoping to, but, you know, such as it is. I'm not going to stress about it. All right. Well, until next time, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.